So I've just replaced the odometer or speedometer cable on my Keeway. It is over here. Essentially what it is you've got the bottom bit, goes in there, and as you can see it's got that, and then on top of it there's a little grommet that is usually inside the casings. Just beware when you're replacing it. It's as easy as unscrewing this bit and also unscrewing that bit. Essentially that's all it is. Unfortunately my one snapped, as you can see. So my one snapped, and yeah, it's easy to replace and everyone should be able to do it. I ordered mine because I'm based in the UK. I ordered it from Moto. The guy's been so nice, I have to praise them. I have bought quite a few parts from them now for this little baby, and they've always delivered. And even when I said that I didn't receive my rear brake pads, they delivered again free of charge. And then it turned out that the delivery man actually stuck it in a post box on the gate. So what I did is I obviously returned those and installed the ones that arrived the second time around. And they sent me a keyring. So yeah, there you go. So that's that. Simple replacement. Catch you later.